Hi everyone. Firstly, thank you so much for all the love that you have showered on my channel. We are now 1K family strong. Yes, we have crossed 1000 subscription count on YouTube already. And I'm really grateful for all the support that you have given to my channel by actually dedicatedly watching my videos, by actually dropping a comment in the comment section, by liking the videos, and also sharing these videos with as many folks who might have benefited from this content. Without all of your support, it wasn't possible to reach this number, and truly speaking, it's a privilege to have a community of 1K subscribers. This is more than a community of folks that I have managed in the past. I was a community manager for the GDSC program, the Google Developer Student Clubs program in the past, but the maximum we had was 700-800 leads. We are stronger than that today, and definitely it does make me feel a lot more grateful for all the hard work that I have invested in the last couple of months in terms of being consistent with recording these videos, editing those, scheduling those despite the hectic traveling schedules, personal life commitments and challenges that I had in the last couple of months. But truly speaking, all of this wasn't possible without the support of my friends, Amlan, Prince. You have been a great backbone of support for this channel, and thank you for helping me make sure that I bring up the videos on time. Thanks a lot. And another thing I would say is I have personally grown so much by hitting this milestone. Along the way in this journey, I have trained myself to be more proficient and fluent, especially with recorded content. I had a lot of experience doing live talks, but recorded content was something that was a different experience for me. And thank you to all my friends who shared their advices on the side, on the channel. That definitely has boosted my confidence and definitely motivated me to bring more useful content. And that's not it. The journey doesn't end here. I know I'm now even more responsible for bringing in quality content for you, and I will make sure that I stay committed to helping you grow as a professional and helping you take a step forward in the industry with as much knowledge and insights that I can gather with my experience and my research in this domain. And remember, I also shared that I will be bringing a surprise news for all of you as I hit this milestone. So I am opening up a free one-day workshop for all of you, for everyone who comes from a tech background, who want to build their resumes with me from scratch. I will be hosting a 90-minute workshop for those who are interested in building their resumes from scratch with me. During this workshop, it will be a live interaction that you all will have with me. You can ask any questions that you have on top of your minds. I will be channelizing your thought process into something more actionable that can be translated in your resumes that many actually look out for as an inspiration. All you need to do is click on the form that I have linked in the description below, submit that form as soon as possible, and I will be sharing confirmations to shortlisted candidates by 25th of March. And make sure that you are only registering if you are able to make it. Understand that I want to provide the best experience for those who are signing up for this workshop. Hence, I really want you to register only if you are able to make it. This is a limited session invite, and I will not be able to accommodate each and everyone during this session. So please reserve the spots only if you think you're able to make it. And as I stay committed to bringing more such useful content for you in the future, please make sure you keep showering your love on this channel by liking the videos, sharing these videos with as many folks possible. Remember, I still haven't started monetizing from this channel, so your love on this channel is what will continue motivating me to bring more useful insights and tips for you in the coming months. So until the next video, take care. Bye bye.